Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel, we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix administration on your computer. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on the start button on your screen. So here on my device, the start button is up at the lower left corner of my screen. Now just go ahead and search for administrative tool. This one, so Windows administrative tools. So click on it. Now find the local security policy. Double click on it. Then now click on local policies. Then click on security options. Okay. So under the security options, scroll down until the l- bottom part of this section and then find this user account control, run all administrators in admin approval mode. Okay, so just go ahead and double click on it and select disable. And once you've done that, click on apply, then okay. Okay, but I won't do that on my device, but that is what you need to do. So once you've clicked on apply and OK, instead of the enabled word right here, you should see the disabled word. Okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and restart your computer. And that should fix the administrator permission on your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!